Okay, everybody, so we're just going to do a little mini introduction to the algebra menu for the Nspire calculator handheld. Now, this is the teacher software, so this could be used for teachers as well who are just starting out. So you just click, well, first you have to be in a calculator page, but once you're in the calculator page, you are going to just go to Menu, Algebra, and Solve. And let's just do 3x plus 6 equals 27, comma x. And as you know, if you type nsolve, you can actually go up and you just see the difference between what it looks like when it's solved and when it's nsolve. And it makes sense because solve is showing you that x is equal to 7, but nsolve is showing you just the numerical value of what you get. Next, factoring. Let's do something like x squared minus 5x. This is always the one that I remember learning when I first learned how to factor. There you go. And as most of you know, that these are the x-intercepts, or even called the zeros of a quadratic function. So let's say we wanted to go in the opposite direction and expand. We could just go up, hit enter, and it will multiply it for you. Pretty cool. Next, menu, zeros. Let's use the same function. And there you go. Now, this part right here is solved for x here. Pretty cool, I know. We did numerical solve, so let's do system of linear equations. We have two equations, and I'll just use something pretty basic. So x minus 3y equals 15, and 2x plus, let's say, just y equals, let's say, 30. And there you go. And what do you think if you were to just go up, copy, and then type LIN, move that mouse out the way, LIN, and it just gives you the numerical answer. So those are primarily the algebra items that we use in Algebra 1 and Algebra 2. There are many more on here. So we have completing the square, which I don't use very often. And then I'll do one just for polynomials, because polynomials, the list is quite long. And then these are some of the same number tools that are in on my iPad demonstration, so you can just go to those. But I will come back and do a separate video for polynomials. So thank you for watching. See you next time.